Hi guys, in this video we will see how to weld these two bolts without using an welding machine. We are going to use this drilling machine here. Already I have set the spindle speed around 3000 rpm. This is an belt driven drilling machine. Let's see how we are going to weld these bolts. I already have made this chuck and this spindle setup in my previous video. If you want to watch, you can watch. You can see here one bolt has been fixed in the chuck and another bolt has been fixed at the bottom side, and for auto centering I am using this metal ball bearing here. This is for auto centering. Now when I apply the force, it will be applied without any shakes. For that purpose only we are using this ball here. Now let's start. Cut this welded zone like a cross section and put this angle grinder and let you show how the fusion has been happened between this ball bearing and this bolt. This is the material which we have welded. Now I have made a cross section of this welded joint. You can clearly see that material has melted and bonded with each other. This is one of the strongest welding method we can use under non-consumable welding method. I hope you have found something useful in this video. Thank you for watching.